You'll have heard a lot in recent weeks about the pact against austerity, the agreement between some of our parties to work towards the general election for a different kind of economic policy, for a different kind of response to the economic crisis. And that's what we've been all thinking about and talking about this week as the talks go on between the new Greek government and looking at how to solve the problems there, but most of all, to change the lives of people in Greece. They've been through the most terrible austerity measures, and now it's time to look at real alternatives that can work, like the kind of Green New Deal that we've been talking about, investing in jobs, investing in young people to turn around the economy. That's what we want to do in Wales, and that's why the discussion is going on with the people of Wales as to how we can build a better future, but that future would be in the European Union.